Welcome back, kids. It's STEM Saturday. Hold on to your goggles.
What are we doing today, Belle?
We're gonna do magic milk painting.
So first up, we have to pour our milk into our container. You want to do it? You want me to do it?
Yeah.
All right, we have 2% milk. If you wanted to, you could do an experiment where you use different kinds of milk with different fat percentages. That would be pretty cool.
So for those of you who haven't heard of milk painting, what we're going to do is add food coloring to our milk. Then, take a Q-tip covered in dish soap and drop it in and watch the reaction.
All right, take 2, because the first time it didn't work. So gel food coloring definitely doesn't work with this experiment, so make sure that you have liquid food coloring.
Oh, it's open.
Want some help?
Yes, please. Now look at all those dots.
Yeah, they look kind of silly, don't they? And now we're going to dip our Q-tips into our dish soap. And then go ahead and do the first drop. That's so cool.
The dish soap molecules want to grab the fat molecules in the milk. The soap molecules push the colors around while chasing the fats. That's why the colors swirl together.
It's magically scientific.
We wanted to see if we could make the milk explode using vinegar and baking soda.
Then you can paint on the foam.
So, look at that. Mommy! Something's going on with the red!
When the food coloring on top of the bubbles touched the milk,
The soap milk reaction started over again. Let's do another explosion.
how awesome is that?
Alright, it's all gray now. Gross. It doesn't look like milk anymore. Let's see what's underneath. Look at
Wow!
all that baking soda, sludge.
It's like slime. It's like we're creating our own slime, right? Oh. Thanks for watching.